Hi there, I am Lisa the Ukulele Fool. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're not new here, this is different, right? I'm not alone. Please give a warm welcome to my friends Debbie and John Annen. They are a dynamic performing duo. They go by DeJohn. Debbie and John, get it? Yeah? So we're going to do a collaboration. What are we going to do, folks?
Oh, today we're thinking because it's October and Halloween just around the corner, we could do Cabin of Death.
Cool. I learned Cabin of Death from them last year around Halloween time. I even performed it, so I am thrilled that we're going to be sharing this piece. So grab your ukulele, grab your favorite beverage, and let's dive in. I'm pretty sure you're not familiar with this song. It's not that well known, but I just love it. Let's make it well known. Here's what the chorus sounds like. Everybody's dying in our cabin. We all thought that it was just the flu. Turns out it's something really different. Now it's even killing me and you. Sounds like it was written for the COVID pandemic, right? Except for it was written in 2010. Okay, let's dive into the tutorial. You need a C, F, and G. And that's what it looks like for a concert or soprano ukulele, tenor ukulele as well. But Debbie's going to play on a baritone, and this is what the fingerings for those look like. C can be fingered either with your ring finger, or you could do it with your pinky too. No harm, no foul. F chord, pretty standard to do it with index finger, reaching with your middle finger up to the G string, 2nd fret. G chord, I do it traditional way with bunny foo-foo or peace sign on the C and A strings, 2nd fret. 3rd fret is done with the ring finger, but you know what? There's more than one way to play that G chord, and I'm going to link a quick little short video up here on different ways to play G. The C, F, and G chords make this just such a bright, happy little bluegrass tune, but if you want to throw in a kind of cool ending, it's totally optional, but you can throw in an E minor at the end. That's what Debbie does in the play-along that's coming up. Index finger, 2nd fret on the A string, reaching across with your middle finger to the 3rd fret of the E string, and then 4th fret of the C string to get that E minor. Just, put a little twist on the end. It's lots of strumming options for this piece as well. If you know the island or calypso strum, that works just fine. Everybody's dying in our cabin. If you want to do something a little bit more complicated, you can throw a more active island strum, that's what I call it, that's my term, on at the ends of phrases where you're going down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So like this. Everybody's dying in our cabin. So when I'm holding out cabin and there's not too much interesting going on in the words, make your strumming more interesting by doing that. I'm going to do a much easier strum in the play along because I don't want to cover up what Debbie's doing. She's doing finger picking. I'll cover that as well. So I'm just doing down strums. I might on the 4th beat throw an up strum, making it a basic rock strum. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and or down, 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 up. Easy peasy. It's a place where the chord changes happens over 2 beats. So you have to take a 4-beat strum if you're doing the island strum or the basic rock strum and modify it. My modification that works for this song is to simply supply a down, down, up, down, down, like that. So I'll have that place color-coded in my chord chart, which I recommend that you go grab a chord chart and become part of my Patreon community. There's great rewards, including live Zoom events that are happening 4 times, sometimes 5 times a month. And then all my chord charts are available to my patrons, and you're supporting my charity efforts. So please and thank you. You can take almost any concert ukulele or tenor ukulele and put a low G on it. Oh, that's my low G. I'll have link down below to my favorite low G strings. So take the first finger picking pattern of C, A, E, A. The next time you do it, instead of the C, pluck the G. G, A, E, A, C, A, E, A, G, A, E, A. So the thumb rotates between the C string and the G string. And so when it goes together, like that, isn't that cool? Let's practice that. It doesn't sound that awesome on a regular G, so I would only do this if you have a low G. 1, 2, ready, begin. Pluck the G, C, G. Switch to a G chord, G. Pluck the G string, C. Pluck the G string, back to C. C. And the G string. Go to F. And the G string. C. G string. G.
Okay, we're going to do Cabin of Death. It's Ned Lubrecki's song, and he wanted to write the perfect bluegrass song, sung from the heart.
Through the nose.
And it's got to have a happy, upbeat melody and sad, depressing words. So here it is. Let's play it. 2, 3, 4.
Now, Mom and Dad, they died up in their cabin. Little sister's in there dying too. We'll bury her out back behind the cabin, but we'll save a spot beside for me and you. Everybody's dying in our cabin. We all thought that it was just the flu. Turns out that it's something really different, and now it's even killing me and you. First we called upon the family doctor to see if he could save little sister Sue. He said he's never seen anything quite like it. Look out back, he's buried out there too. Everybody's dying in our cabin. We all thought that it was just the flu. Turns out that it's something really different, and now it's even killing me and you. If you should ever go out to our cabin, up among the pine trees in the hills, you'll find a rusty shovel by the graveyard. Dig a hole if you start feeling ill. Everybody's dying in our cabin. We all thought that it was just the flu. Turns out that it's something really different, and now it's even killing me and you. And now it's even killing me and you.